Hello everyone, welcome to Sangeeta Shirsat channel. Today we will study about defining member functions. In C++ we can define member functions in two ways. The first way is defining the member function inside the class, and the second way is defining the member function outside the class. So when I am saying defining member functions, what exactly this means? This means when I am writing the code for that particular member function, that becomes the definition of that member function. So let's get started. This code is about bank management system. In this we have taken a class name bank account with three variables: account number, account holder and balance. Now we need to define member function inside the class. So this void get data function, this void deposit function and void withdraw function we have defined inside the class. So this is the syntax of defining a member function inside the class. So the first function is get data function, in which I am asking from the user the details to enter the account number, to enter the name of account holder. After that we have a function void deposit, in which we have taken one more variable, that is a local variable, which we will be using inside this function only. So I am asking from the user how much amount you want to deposit. That particular value will get stored in this amount. If amount is greater than 0, I am adding the amount to the balance amount. Initially balance is 0. So this balance plus equal to amount is equivalent to balance plus amount. So then I am displaying deposited amount, else it will display invalid deposit amount. If my amount to be deposited is negative, it will display me invalid deposit amount. So the next function is withdraw function, in which we have taken one more variable, that is withdraw amount, which will be a local variable. Means a local variable we will be just using it inside that particular member function. So now I am asking from the user, enter the amount you want to withdraw. That particular amount will get stored in this withdraw amount. If withdraw amount is greater than 0 and if withdraw amount is less than equal to balance, I am checking both the conditions. If both the conditions are true, then I will withdraw the amount. So the amount will get withdrawn from the balance amount. So this statement is equivalent to balance equal to balance minus withdraw amount. So this is the shorthand operator which I am using. So that particular withdraw amount will get deducted from the balance and it will get displayed. Else if the withdraw amount which the user has entered is invalid, or if the balance is not sufficient, I cannot withdraw, right? So it will display me a message, insufficient funds. So this was defining member function inside the class. When we talk about defining a member function outside the class, the prior requirement is I need to give the name of that particular member function here. I just have to declare it. Here I have to declare. Give the declaration. Just write down the name of that particular member function which we are defining outside the class. So when I am saying defining outside the class, I need to write that particular member function code outside this curly bracket and semicolon. So the syntax for defining the member function outside the class is this. Void class name is my bank account name, scope resolution operator and display account function. The scope resolution operator is the operator which tells you the scope of that particular member function. So I can say this display account function is in the scope of this bank account class. So in this display account, I am displaying all the details. So I have just written the cout statements. So now I need to call that particular member function. So I need to define an object with the help of class name, that is bank account, and the name of object name. So how it will work, right? With the help of object name, I'm calling get data, and then I'm calling display account. With the help of object, I'm calling deposit amount, then again I'm displaying amount, and then again I'm calling withdraw function, and then I'm displaying that particular current account. How this works? So now I have a class with name bank account, right? And we have created an object with name my account. So this is an object. We have functions get data, I have function with deposit, withdraw, and then display details. Right? So this is my object. These three member functions we have defined inside the class, and this is we have defined it outside the class. So how the object will access, how we will call the member functions? So this account, my account object will call the member function get data with object name dot function name, object name dot function name. So my object is my account, so I will write my account dot get data. If I want to call deposit, so I will write my account dot deposit. Same with withdraw, same with display details. The method of calling the member function will be same, that is object name dot method name. So we'll see the output of this. Enter the account number. Now I am entering the name of account holder. So this is the initial details with account number, holder, my balance, current balance is 0. So now enter the amount you want to deposit. Suppose I want to deposit 5,000. Deposited 5,000. Then account details, again we have displayed it with current balance of 5,000. Now I want to withdraw some amount. Suppose I want to withdraw 1,000. So you can see the current balance is 4,000. So this is how the bank management system works in C++, in which we have demonstrated how to deposit an amount, how to withdraw an amount with defining member function inside the class and outside the class. Thank you.